Better bring in Steve. Steve, next 48 hours could get a little tricky here.
Yeah, Todd, it is going to, in fact, and we're already seeing some of it right now. That's why I want to start out with this seaside camera. Lots of filtered sunshine down there. Some folks playing on the swing set there just a second ago. But that right there is the leading edge of that next system that we're watching closely as it moves up from the south and west overnight tonight. Government camp right now, beautiful sunny skies, but just 20 degrees. Boy, it was down into the single digits there overnight last night, and we're going to do the same thing again tonight. It's been very cold up in the mountains as that cold air continues to settle in over the region. Right now, Subaru Portland camera, 38 degrees over the Rose City. Humidity 30%, but the dew point just 9 degrees. Very cold, dry air continues to funnel out of the Columbia River Gorge through those east winds at 17 miles per hour. And notice on that day planner, boy, we struggled just to get up to 40 degrees for a high temperature. Current right now, 30s in the valley, 30s through the gorge, lower 30s actually at the Dalles, 31, 22 Pendleton. So we got lots of cold air over on the central and east side of the state, and even some 30s and 40s out there along the coast. There's those high clouds you see out there along the coast, but as we widen out the satellite and radar, what we're really keeping our eye on is that system right there. It's got a front out in front of it, and it's a double front, actually. And it's making a beeline right towards central Oregon. And when that low goes just south of the Portland area, that's going to pull more cold air out of the Columbia River Gorge. No south wind. It's going to be an east wind. So our confidence is moving higher today, focusing on tomorrow and on Friday. Light snow begins on Thursday morning. Freezing rain possible, yeah, on Thursday evening into Friday morning. I am expecting road impacts, especially for the evening commute Thursday and then again overnight Thursday night and your morning commute on Friday morning. So plan to spend some extra time getting to work in the morning. That moved through very quickly, but I can assure you the winds will be gusting out of the Columbia River Gorge upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour as we move into the overnight hours tonight and into tomorrow. Futurecast, there's the high clouds today that you see, but notice by even this evening at 8 p.m., just 29 degrees with that east wind continuing to blow through the Columbia River Gorge, and then we throw the moisture in tomorrow morning. Matter of fact, this model just updated. It had it just a little bit ago, just at Portland at 9 a.m., my stop point here. Now it's got it even further north. So snow coming into the valley in the morning hours. It lifts north. We get a midday break. And then in the evening hours, it fills back in with more snow and perhaps some freezing rain. Anything in this pink color is freezing rain. It stays mostly snow over the metro area, again, into Friday morning. So we got several waves of moisture coming through in the morning on Friday. And then finally, here's 12:30 Friday. The whole system moves off to the south and east and pushes off into southeastern Oregon, and the event will be over at that point. All right, snowfall forecast totals. This is only through midday Thursday, inch, perhaps 2 inches. But then when you add in that stuff that comes in later in the evening tomorrow night and then overnight into early Friday morning, these models are all over the map right now. Again, this is a fresh run of these models. 3 inches, 5 inches, 3.5 inches. Well, I'm going to go 2 to 4 inches across the metro area. Some areas could be a little less than that, some perhaps a little bit more. Also, keeping a very close eye on ice accumulation. At this point, mostly Portland south, and that would be overnight Thursday as we get some warmer air that moves in over the top. And again, that's only 1/10 of an inch, perhaps, of icing. That is a very thin glaze, but it can still be very dangerous. So, road conditions. Tomorrow morning, widespread light snow in the valley, spotty showers and some snow showers mixing in the afternoon. And then once we get into Friday morning, a little bit of light snow does return. There's that low coming in tomorrow, but then we build a ridge of high pressure after that. All right, cold and windy today, about 40 for a high. Snow begins in the morning hours tomorrow, 32 for a high, and we stay in the mid-30s on Friday with a wintry mix before we start to moderate out as we go into next weekend. All right, more KOIN 6 News coming up.